Hello everyone, this is I'm Manikandan. I am a healer for Basava Acupuncture Academy. I have been here for more than 40 years. I am treating a lot of patients here. Nowadays, we are seeing very main problem is heart related problems. Today, we are going to discuss about what are the reason for the heart problem, how we can avoid through acupuncture. So those are this one we are going to talk today. Let's go one by one. There are it's not like one common factor for the heart problem. There are many factors for the heart related problems. So we'll go one by one and we'll see. In case if you are watching the video, we just to find out of this topic. I have lectured 5 topics here. In this, which one you are fall under, so that you can treat yourself also. There are few adjustment I tell you in your lifestyle. You can change your foods, or you can press some acupuncture point. With that, we can help. Maybe this video, if whoever is watching, right, it may help to avoid a very big issue also. In heart related issue also, it can save a lot of people. Even if you have any friends or others, just forward this video. That will help for simple thing, right? It will save a lot of our lives. Okay. Let's go through the acupuncture. So mostly, whether you are new or already you know acupuncture, there is a 5 elements in acupuncture. The first element is you can see here. This is a heart element, and heart next is a spleen. That means our earth element, and the third one is lung. That is the air element, and then kidney. So water element, and then liver. This is a wind element. This all the 5 elements has to work properly. If there is any one organ is doing malfunction, that means it is not working properly, then we will get a disease. The problem will get a disease. Here, I am going to talk about only the heart related problem. Why the heart related problems comes? What are the organs are involved? How we can solve that one? We'll do. Let's talk about the dampness. Dampness, what is a dampness? Okay, fine. So we are eating a food, right? Whatever we are eating food, it will be digested. That energy will be converted into the blood, and blood will be flow into our body. So the spleen, what it does means the energy, it will be there. Like dam means like suppose you are eating more food, and that dampness will form in our body. It's kind of a fluid kind of a form. That is the energy that will go. And if you see some moisture in our skin, that is a dampness. In case if a dampness increases, that oil phase will come. So the oil phase will come. That is a dampness related things. If it is more, what happen? You are getting oil phase related terms, and then some lumps kind of some swelling. If it is a more, means these are the problems will come. If it is become very less, what will happen means you will feel more dryness in your body, and motion tightness. These are the problems related to the spleen. That means the earth element. So if this spleen dampness, if it is circulate, it has to circulate in our body. In case the spleen dampness it's not circulating, what would happen means it will start store in somewhere in our body. In case if it is this hand related area, if it is not circulating properly, what happens? There will be a small cyst will form here. Since this area, if you see the heart meridian will be there. If heart is weak, the circulation will be stopped in the heart meridian, and then here we can see that there is a small cyst will form. So who are having weakness, if you find any cyst are related this area, heart related area, then we can easily make it out. The heart energy is low. So that is the one thing. Second one is the face. Face also we can see some of them are swelling in their face. What happened means if the spleen, the dampness if become more in their face become very big, and they always looks very bulky, and it will store, and they cannot walk quickly. These are the main symptoms for the dampness related things. So who is responsible for your activating the dampness, right? Like let's dampness is creating in our body. How it is circulating means the help of the stomach. If one person stomach is very weak, automatically what happens? Your stomach, its dampness will start storing in our body. Your stomach is good. That is the one taking care of circulating your dampness from your entire body. If you are weak stomach, let's say you are not getting hungry much, means your stomach is very weak. That will not circulate your energy all over the body. Automatically, what happens? The dampness will store in our body. In main reason in heart related problems, what we consider is if your stomach is low, the dampness that energy will be start store in our body, specifically in the heart also it will store. If heart is stored means, and the function of the heart become weak, it will become very slow. So we will tell you how you can avoid the dampness if it is more, means that's what we will discuss. What are the food you can take, what are the point we can use for the spleen dampness. Spleen dampness, if you are having more, so what are the food you have to first avoid is, you have to avoid all milk related food, especially the milk and cheese, paneer, all milk related items you have to avoid, so that the dampness won't form again. That is the first one. And the second one is, in case if the dampness falls, so how we can reduce your dampness, what we can do. Dampness reduce point is, here there is a spleen meridian. This is a spleen reflection point in the handle. It is here. You have to press spleen reflection point. Automatically your dampness will come down. How to press and when to press means, like every 15 days once you have to press the points, or every weekly once you press it. How many times? Means 15 times. This is spleen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. 15 times you got to press. Weekly twice also fine. If you are more bulky and you feel more lethargic, always tired, if you have a more sugar related problems, then you should press weekly twice. Otherwise, normal person, we can press only one times. The main, how I know that the spleen dampness become more is very easy way is, you will get a more numbness in your body, like you feel hand numbness here and leg numbness. This is the main symptom. They will always sleepy and your sugar level is very high. These are the peoples comes under this dampness thing. So I think you all understand what is the dampness. Dampness is the energy which is stored as a kind of dam energy that will circulate in our body. If it is excess, it will come as a cyst or some swelling in your body. In detail, we will discuss about how this spleen works, that earth element works in the separate class. But I am just giving some knowledge about what is the dampness and how we can avoid it. So I told you what are the foods to avoid. You have to avoid all milk related food. And the second one is the point you have to press here. Here they have to press. This is the spleen area, spleen reflection, you have to press 15 times. This is the way we can avoid. And especially, this will reduce your sugar level also. If you press properly, your sugar level also will come down and the circulation will improve. You can see that within 3 to 4 days, the numbness, the hand numbness will come down automatically. This is the one reason. So, where the pain comes, that is the second one I am going to discuss out. So, if the spleen dampness is more, the left side of the body, left side here, the left side, the hand you feel more heaviness and the pain, heart pain. So where it will come, mostly here, the chest area you will get, the left side of the chest you will get a more pain if the spleen dampness is more. And so immediately what you have to do means, you have to press this point and take a hot water. That will reduce the dampness very fast. These are the two ways you can easily recover. And even if you want to join term course also, you can join and you can more depth if it is working fine. If you feel that this is working fine, and learn the term course so that you can understand more depth how you can avoid the heart pain.